Welcome to the support videos for workload automation video series. This video will demonstrate how to free GUI server memory consumed by archived viewpoints in ControlM Enterprise Manager. How many times do we leave archived viewpoints open in the workload automation client when they are not being used? You may think that this will save time, but keep in mind this is using the GUI server's memory. If you have only a few jobs in the viewpoint, it may not have a large impact. But the more jobs in the viewpoint and the more users open in viewpoint, the higher the impact. This can cause the GUI server to max out the memory. Then no new viewpoints can be opened until users close viewpoints. Having said the above, there is a way to free resources automatically in the memory of the GUI server when GUI client users leave the window open for a long time without any interaction. There are two parameters involved in this functionality. Enable either time timer will allow to specify which type of archive viewpoint will be closed automatically. By default, it is set to 0, which means it is disabled. Idle time timer interval defines the time interval in minutes in which viewpoints will be closed automatically after a period of time without activity. By default, it is set to 15 minutes. Now let's see how they work together. This is my ControlM configuration manager. Currently I'm using version 9.18, but you can set these parameters from version 8 Fixback 800. We go to system parameters. Then we go to advanced, and here we can type something like this. As you can see, here are the two parameters that we are working on. For enable idle time timer, we can see the default value is 0 and currently is set to 3. And also here we can check what are the possible values that we can assign. For the idle time timer interval, we can see the default value is 15 minutes and currently it is set to 2. With these settings, we are specifying that after 2 minutes with no activity in the client, both history and active viewpoints will be closed automatically. We apply the changes and there is no need to recycle any component from here. We just need to restart the client so those settings take effect. In this case, these panels are already active, so we just close here. This is our workload automation client, which has already been restarted after setting the parameters. And currently we have all these active viewpoints open, as you can see here. And also we have the history viewpoints open, these ones. Now we'll see that after 2 minutes of inactivity in the client, a window will appear in the bottom of the screen with a warning message about viewpoints will be closed due to inactivity. But at that point, we could cancel the closure just by clicking in any part of the client, or if we don't click anything, then the viewpoints will be closed as expected. That concludes this ControlM Solutions video. The workload automation support team looks forward to helping you if any assistance is needed.